When you book a flight with kids, are you going to Google Flights or Expedia and just guessing? Picking random flight times, random prices, hoping it all works out, but usually end up arriving exhausted? Before you book a flight, stop and ask AI. AI can help you understand the best days, times, and prices for your flight. Welcome to AI for Your Mom, where we make AI simple for everybody, everywhere, even your mom. Open ChatGPT and ask this first. Act as if you are an expert travel agent specializing in family trips. Now, this might seem strange, but telling ChatGPT to act as if may actually get you a better result. It's called persona, or role-based prompting. Let's keep going. I'm flying from Los Angeles to Orlando in June with 2 kids, ages 5 and 8. Give me your best recommendations on which days I should fly, time of day, what should I avoid, and how can I make this easier? If you have any other questions, add them to the list. Let's see what ChatGPT comes back with. It looks like ChatGPT answered all of our questions. Best days to fly, time of day, tips to make traveling with kids just a little easier, and what to avoid. Some newer AI models can book a flight for you, but that's for a different video. Right now, I recommend you search flights in Google Flights or Expedia and pick a flight based on ChatGPT's feedback. And that's it. I hope AI made planning your flight feel just a little easier. Don't forget to download my free AI for Your Mom cheat sheet and starter guide in the description below. And like and subscribe for more simple AI tips you can actually use.